Hey guys, so in background, so welcome to my new holiday house. I mean it's our family holiday house. So and welcome to for this year, I think fourth unboxing video in 4 years ago. It's because of MCO and everything. So here I'm going to unboxing oven and toaster oven and microwave oven. So I need to do it quickly. So I need to go eat after this. You guys haven't seen my face for a long time, I think. So let's unbox. Starting with the oven. Okay, let's unbox it. So like last time I told you, I brought one of the Electrolux oven. Actually the quality is okay. For today I decided to try Panasonic. So I just brought this just now at IKEA. So yeah, actually I don't have any equipment to unbox this. So let me just tear this apart. Anyway, I'm not using this box anymore. Oh god. Okay, here we go. I hope you guys can see it. Right. Put it right here. Yeah, much better. New house. Okay, it's almost the same like the Electrolux oven. But the quality for this one is even solid than the Electrolux. So that's why, like I told guys last week. You know the video is last week, I uploaded yesterday. Yeah, that should improve it on their quality, on their design. Their design is okay, just the quality. So yeah, let me open it. So better be quick. Where's the tray? Oh shit. Where's right here? Was Electrolux, it came inside, the tray came inside the oven, so yeah, that's why the different is Panasonic. So yeah, that's it. Last week I unboxed the vacuum and the oven, right? So today we have oven, toaster and our microwave oven. Yeah. Okay. Let me go a bit closer. Have to be quick. Turn it on. Yep, the power is on. And yeah, let's turn it up to 300. Let me focus it. Yeah. You can see it. Is it glowing red? Yep, it is. Yeah, there you go. On top too. Yeah, so the oven working. Let's move on. Oops. Okay, there you go. Okay. And let's move on to the other oven. I can't wait to try it later. Let's unbox it quickly. Okay. place it. This time I bought lots of things at IKEA. My mom brought lots of things at IKEA. But yeah, there's a lot of things I need to assemble, but I'm lazy to record it, so I just unbox this for now. I think it should be fun. And it's having Windows Transformer and the Electron. Here is the big hammer. It's very put it on the chair. Only to start our shit. Just now I almost picked the Electrolux oven and the microwave, but they don't have stocks. They only have Sharp at the time. So I asked my mom to change it, and I asked the staff to change it. So this is the inside, the plate, everything. There you go. Put this quickly. Okay, let's bring it closer. Okay, let's try it. Yep, it's working. I think. Damn it. I don't know how to use it, so. Better be quick. So set up 1 minute. Yeah, it's working. There you go. Right, thank you guys for watching. So that's all from me. Hope to see you guys in next future unboxing video. Bye bye.